Hello everyone, my name is Julie and I'm going to talk about Bollywood. It is a film industry from India and I hope that you like it as much as me because I really love that. So the first thing that I'm going to say is that Bollywood is a word that is like a joke between the words Hollywood and Bombay, a city which is like producing the movies, and it is very funny because some reporters say it and get fun with that. So you could dance, you could get the beats, you know it, like practice dance with some interesting steps. You could try with your family, with your boyfriend and everything. There are also many gestures, such as this one that is to say hello and goodbye, or this one is to say that people is doing well, or maybe this is to exclamate something or something like that. So, as well, we have this one that is when you are going to say that someone is good looking, or it's very pretty or handsome, or maybe to say hello to someone. On the other hand, we have a lot of romance, a lot of love in their movies because the couples are very important there to share experiences and identify with the characters that are there because they they could present and imagine that you are there. So also it's very varied the genders because some of the movies are from action, humor, or maybe horror, or based on real facts. Also, the characters, as I said before, are very like showing us the culture, and they could be princes, they could be warriors and stuff like that, and it's so amazing. So these three guys that you can see there are my favorite actors. They are the three hands, and I'm very happy to always watch them on screen because they work very well, and I very happy with them. So this couple is Kajal and SRK. I really like their job because they always are like best friends, like sister and brother, but as well are like very big lovers, and it's so amazing watch them. So the next couple that you can identify in Bollywood is the Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh. So they have very chemistry on screen, and they got married a few years ago, and I love them. So I have a top 5 about my favorite Bollywood movies. I hope that you could watch it and check it out what's going on with that, and really I will recommend to you that. So let's start with that. Yeah. The number 5 is Versaram. It's a gesture film. It's a history about a woman from Pakistan and a man from India, and I don't want to spoiler you, but it is so amazing that romance history is a drama, it's a romance. So the number 4 is Barfi. It's about a deaf mute man and a girl with autism, and how they met and stuff like that. Please watch it. Please watch it. So the number 3 is Black. It's about a real history. Actually, it's Helen Keller background. Is deaf mute and blind woman that had a teacher, and second one is Tarzan in Park. It is about a child and a teacher with dyslexia, and that really inspired me to be teacher and how I teach. I really like it. I love it. So the number one is My Name is Han, and that tells us about a history about a World Trade Center accident, actually, but in a perspective of Muslim people and people from Asia in USA. So, something interesting is the filmary are awards, but they are equal to an Oscar in India, okay? And are a lot of nominations such as Best Actor, Best Dance, Best Choreography, and stuff. So finally, I could say that I really love this industry because you could cry, you could laugh, you could dance, you could like do everything you want, and you could fall in love. And thank you so much for your time for watch this, and I hope that you enjoy it as me. And see you next time. God bless you, and see you